相見為佳 Celki VitalAire.
Your SoClean 2 timer will allow you to completely automate your daily maintenance after connecting to your sleep equipment. The SoClean 2 comes preset to start a 7-minute cycle at 10 a.m. daily. However, you must set the clock to your current time. Note, if you unplug the SoClean or experience a power loss, you will need to reset the current time only. The settings will remain saved. Setting the clock, current time. Press the clock button. Change the time by pushing the plus or minus button until your current time is reached. Then press the clock button once more to store your time and return to the home screen. Set cycle run time, duration, and schedule the daily start time. Press the hourglass button. Press the plus or minus button to decrease or increase the number of minutes of your cycle runtime. Note, the default cycle runtime of 7 minutes is recommended. Press the hourglass button again to save your cycle runtime and schedule the daily start time. To skip the daily start time setup, press the hourglass button again when you reach this step. Press the plus or minus buttons to reach the desired daily start time. Press the hourglass button again to save your setting and return to the home screen. Note, schedule a daily start time at least 2 hours before you need to use the sleep equipment. The entire process requires 2 hours plus the cycle run time to complete. A green indicator light means that the cycle is completed. Remove the removable slot plug and place inside the SoClean chamber. Run your sleep equipment for 1 to 2 minutes before putting your mask on. Manual mode. When you wish to run the SoClean other than during your scheduled cycle start time, make sure your sleep equipment is in place and the SoClean lid is closed, and press the manual button to begin the cycle. The cycle starts immediately and runs for the set cycle time, duration, and will not affect your pre-scheduled start time. As usual, wait for the green light before removing your equipment. It's not necessary to remove your equipment immediately after observing the green light. Set time format. If you prefer your clock to display the 24-hour format, press the clock and plus button simultaneously. With time format selected, press the manual button. Choose either the 12 or 24-hour format by using the plus button. Press the manual button to select preferred setting. Then press the clock button to save. Cycle indicator light. The lighted bar below the clock display indicates the status of the SoClean. Red is when the SoClean is operating and generating activated oxygen. Yellow is when the SoClean is in its 2-hour resting cycle. Green is when the cycle has been successfully completed. The lighted display will turn off once the lid is lifted. Display messages. Hose not present. Cycle will not run. This message displays during the manual mode when there is no equipment in the SoClean, the lid is not properly closed, or the hose slot plug is missing or improperly seated. If you've confirmed the equipment, lid, and hose slot plug are correctly in place and you still encounter this display message, please contact SoClean for support. Order filter kit. This message displays after approximately 6 months of use as a reminder to order a replacement filter kit.